Hello everyone, my name is Darshit Serigara from grade 4th A, Podar International School, ICSE Nerul, and today we are going to explore the concept of density. So what is density? Density is basically how heavy or dense something is compared to its size. In this experiment, we are going to use three liquids like water with a drop of food color, syrup and oil. Each liquid has its own density and we are going to see what happens when we try to mix them together. I think you will be surprised by the results. So let's get started. First, start by taking an empty glass or container and pour some water with a drop of food color. Next, I will carefully pour the syrup into the container or the glass, forming a separate layer. Let's wait for a few seconds. Now you can see that the syrup sits at the bottom of the glass or the container due to its highest density. Finally, I will pour some oil into the container or the glass. Oil is the least dense of all the three liquids, so it rises to the top of the container. Now let's add some objects to our density column. First, I will drop this nail into the syrup layer. Wow, look at that! The nail sinks. That's because the nail is denser than the syrup. Next, I will drop this grape into the water layer. Yup, the grape sinks too. That's because the grape is denser than the water. Now let's try this plastic cap. I will drop it into the oil layer. The plastic cap sinks. That's because the plastic cap is denser than the oil. Finally, let's try this sponge. I will drop it into the oil layer. Wow, look at that! The sponge floats. That's because the sponge is less dense than the oil. So what we have learned today? We have learned that objects will sink or float depending on their density compared to the surrounding liquid. Density is an important concept in science and I hope this experiment has helped you understand it better. Thank you.